Hello, my name's Matthew Wilson and I'm the product manager for CatDV at Quantum. This is the first big show since Quantum acquired CatDV, so we've got lots of exciting things to talk about. First of all, I think Quantum is a great home for CatDV. We've been able to get lots of investment from Quantum, so we've been able to double our development team. We've set up a centre of excellence in Kuala Lumpur with lots of new specialisms that we didn't already have, such as UX design, testing, and that's been really great. We've also had the opportunity to, for the first time, sell solutions. Previously, you could buy CatDV as an asset management system, but now we can actually sell you a solution with storage, whether that's disk or object, ransomware protection. There's lots of opportunities for us to sell solutions together. We've also now had the opportunity to work on new converged appliances. So we're actually showing off the first one at the show today. This is a H4000 Essential, which is StoreNext and CatDV on one converged box. So that gives people the ability to get up and running very, very quickly. We've spent lots of time looking at ease of use, usability. People say it's the fastest they've ever got StoreNext and CatDV up and running. It's designed for small creative teams. So we're demoing that at the show today. I think the pandemic for many people has been a bit of a forcing function. It's enabled them to start thinking much more carefully about remote workflows. It's something people were quite hesitant to do before, and I think the pandemic has kind of stimulated them to start looking at those. I think people's resistance to that has changed, and therefore there's a lot of exciting solutions for them to look at. I think people have realized that collaboration tools are really key now, with teams split over different geographical locations, whether they're working from home, working in the office. Being able to collaborate on projects together is really, really important. So the things that we're highlighting at the show this week, we've got H4000 Essential, which I already mentioned. So it's an all-in-one appliance for small creative teams. We're also showing some of the new capabilities in CatDV. So we've got some new clip types, we've got folder clips, we've got playlist clips, we've got version sets. These are just things that people have been asking us for to help them organize their content within catalogs. For those people who are already familiar with CatDV, they can now subdivide that content with one place more easily. Something that people have done in CatDV for a long time is review and approve and set it up to work with their workflows. We're now introducing a pre-built review and approve workflow. It's very easy to set up, very easy to hit the ground running. For those people that just want a simple workflow, lots of exciting annotations. Another of the integrations that we've done since we joined Quantum is we're now got better on StoreNext. So traditionally, we've had to warp the file system, large volumes. It can be quite time consuming. Now with better on StoreNext, CatDV can talk to the metadata controller directly and therefore get notifications when new files are added, when files change, when files are deleted. So that makes it much more efficient over large volumes of data, and that's something we're really excited about. We're also introducing an ActiveScale connector, so you can archive your content from CatDV direct to ActiveScale, and that also includes the cold storage tier as well. So if it's gone off to tape, it can be brought back through CatDV and ready to be used in your productions. What's coming for CatDV in the future? I think the review and approve workflow is the start of us building more of these kind of tools to just have easy workflows straight out the box. So I think there's going to be a lot more of that. Large scale is something I see an increase of. So we're refining our database technologies to make sure that we can handle larger and larger asset counts as people just consume more and more video, and that just increases. We're also working on tools to help deployment in the cloud, make that much simpler for people so that they can get up and running even faster than ever before. I think in terms of the challenges for asset management in the future, I think, as I've already mentioned, I think content is increasing more and more. People have got more content, they don't know what to do with it, they don't know where it is, how to organize it. I think that's just going to increase in scope. And I think more than that, where that content is stored is changing as well. So rather than it just being in one place in a facility, we're already seeing at the show, cameras that can acquire direct into object storage. So the media might be in one place here, it might be somewhere else. And I think we're looking at how we solve that problem of moving media around, understanding the different topologies between where the media is, how to get it from A to B in the most efficient way. We've got different interconnectivities between networks. I think more and more remote editing solutions, seeing being able to edit direct from the cloud. So that's something that we're working towards. And also how we use object storage. CatDV can already put the proxies and the masters direct into object storage. It can retrieve them from there. And I think we'll just see a big increase in how that works. So.